guys, welcome back to mszskinnitv, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan, and today I will be testing out Access Y skincare products. I had got a bundle with a mask, a serum, a treatment, and a sunscreen. Okay, this is my face after washing it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to use is the New Skin Resolution Gel Mask. The New Skin Resolution Gel Mask. Let's see. So the top looks like. Oh, okay. It's not hard to take off. The suction isn't that strong. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to use from the top. Use my little spatula. It has an interesting smell, but it doesn't stink. Alright, so it didn't say how long to leave it on, so I'm going to leave it on for about 10 minutes and then come back. Alright, so this is my face after washing off the mask. And now I'm going to go in with the dark spot correcting serum. So the next thing I'm going to go in now is the Spot the Difference Blemish treatment. This container is mad small, like bruh. Okay, so I have a few spots on my face. It was actually a lot worse a few days ago, but it's kind of better on its own, I guess. I don't even know. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit on my finger. This side isn't too bad. It's just this side. Okay. Just gonna rub it in some more and then wait for it to dry. Alright, now that that's dry, I'm now going to go in with the Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. SPF is 50 plus. Alright, this is the top looks like. Okay. then hopefully that's enough. Bruh. It's the only thing I don't like about using different sunscreens. Cause I'm over here changing colors. Just gonna keep rubbing it out. And hopefully I go back to my regular color. Because if not, I'm gonna look crazy. I almost look blue. I don't know if I'm gonna have it. I don't know if I may have to return this, because if this doesn't, like, you know, change after like 5-10 minutes, I can't keep using it, because there's no way. No way I'm going outside looking like Alright, so I'm going to get dressed and start my day, but just want to go over these last few. So I just want to go over the products that I used today from accessWYY. It's the new Skin Revolution Gel Mask, the Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum, the Spot the Difference Blemish Treatment, and the Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. Alright, so I am changed now. It's been like well over like maybe 20-30 minutes, and I still have like a gray cast, so probably not going to be using sunscreen anymore, because I'm over here looking like the gross sisters and I don't have time. Like, how I'm moisturized, I'm still looking ashy. Like, that don't make no sense. So overall, I like the mask, the serum, and the treatment. So overall, I like the mask and the serum. The treatment, I would have to use it for a couple more days to see how well it works, especially on these spots right here. See if like within the next few days they go away, or how long it takes. I'll keep measurement of that. And then the sunscreen, yeah, I'm probably never gonna use the sunscreen. I'm gonna see if I can send it back, even though this is a set. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Let me know how you like the video, if you want me to try any more of their products specifically, or any other skincare products. But once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.